Sup guys, Dan Zombot here.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna be cringing on Paul's vlog too. Apparently he's got bad content. Yep. Bad quality, bad audio.
That's dumb.
Whoops. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, what? Yeah. I look at that. This person like I don't really care, like that's what's good. Shush.
Holy shit!
Sounds like some slapped his mom.
My TV broken.
Just what?
Yeah.
Little swank.
Ew. Funniest part about this is his face. Like,
Yo, my boy!
it's so fat.
Yo, what's up, dog? What are you saying my shit for?
It's got a sore throat. It's got a sore throat.
Yo, where's my pen? Where's my pen?
I thought that first
It's like what dog?
Wait a minute, I can use my freaking magic.
Freaking magic. Stop.
It worked. If my magic works, I can do lots of things with it.
It's a thing. Yeah, that's a lot. Shush.
Got it, let's go.
This music though is so catchy, eh? Look at him smiling away. That must be one of the most uncomfortable couches ever.
So, that was a good one, eh, so? Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to my brother for doing this video with
What's
me.
the YouTube channel? Oh, it
It was
doesn't have
good, it
one.
was good. And, shout out to my sister for
Yeah,
being
that's
the camera man.
cool, Pete, man.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Wait. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and check my other videos out. If you guys want this video, if you guys want more of this video,
Yeah, it is
make sure
copyright.
to click the like button so I know that you guys like it. Or go to the comments and say yes. And I'll do more with my brother and my sister in this video. So, yeah, and by the way, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
That outro is that is a boring outro. That is
I feel
so
like
boring.
it's from doing Maddie.
So thank you guys for
Dying.
watching. I know it's a short video, but I'm a new YouTuber, so thank you guys for watching and enjoy.